Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Dunya Rangangele. So in today's video guys, we will learn about the crop tool. Yet the crop tool is very simple tool. So today we will learn how to crop a part of photo to create the interesting composite. You can get the crop tool in the toolbar. Guys, you can get the crop tool from the toolbar from here. If you want to activate this crop tool, simply press C. If you are in move tool, then simply press C from the keyboard and you can get back to here on the crop tool. You can see you have crop tool, perspective crop tool, slice tool and slice select tool. Today we will learn about this part, crop tool. If you want to change the different crop tool like perspective crop tool or slice tool, you can simply press Ctrl C, Shift and C from the keyboard and you can see this is changing. You can see this is slice tool and you can change this by pressing Shift and C. So we are going to start with this example. As soon as I select the image, the Photoshop will place the cropping border. Let's see. You can see the cropping border is right here. I can drag this. I have its corners on the four sides and you can see this on the up, down and left and right. You can see the cropping borders around this. Guys, if you want to reset this, you can simply go here and the reset. And if you want to cancel, you can cancel the current crop operation from here, and if you want to commit, you can commit from here. Now if I drag this till here, I'm going to crop this and commit current operation. I'm clicking here. You can see I have this right here. I'm cropping this from here too and pressing this. Guys, you can see I'm going to show you some of the properties of the crop tool. You can see if you go into this properties, you have this ratio, original ratio 1:1 scale and many of the sizes. For example, if I show you 4:5, let's see. You can see I have this right here. I can drag this till here. Guys, like this you can make your size according to your taste. You can see now I have this pizza photo right here. I'm showing you some other properties in crop tool. If you go right here, you have this rules of third. If I apply this, you can see these grids. I usually recommend this rules of third. Now I want to show you some other options. This grid, this diagonal, triangle, golden spiral. Guys, if you click Shift plus O option, it will flip the grid very easily. You can also press escape from the laptop to cancel this part like this. Guys, you can create a creative photo in the Photoshop by combining the different tools. You can also learn textile designing on my channel and create the best design.